Hello and welcome to my review of the TP-Link Tapo security camera.
This is the C200 model. It's really tiny and very lightweight, which is extra handy because this can be wall mounted. It's the first time I've seen a low-cost camera that you can easily wall mount. It comes with the brackets, screws and also a little guide plate so you know where to line up the screw holes, and there's power in the back as well as a small speaker. So before we talk a bit more about the camera, don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you're new to my channel for more clear, concise reviews. Setup is done via the companion app, and this app is designed to run your smart home via the various TP-Link products that are available. It will guide you through how to set this up. You'll need to connect it to your Wi-Fi, you'll need to give various permissions. Once done, it will check for firmware updates. You can then set where this is located, because if you've got multiple cameras, it just makes it a bit easier. The whole process is very quick, and once done, you immediately gain access to a live view just by pressing on the button, and there you go, we've got a live view. You've also got all the controls straight in the app, and that allows you to do pan and tilt as well as zoom. If you pinch on the image, you can zoom in, but what's very impressive here is you've got up, down, left and right, and you'll be using those straight away to install the memory card, as you have to put the camera all the way up to reveal the SD card slot. Once you've popped the memory card in, simply put the camera down, it will check, format the card, and you're ready to go. There's a lot to like about this little camera. It's very easy to set up and the price is fantastic. In the US this retails for just under $30, and in the UK it sells for just under £25. That means that you could buy several of these and set up a security system very inexpensively. You will need to buy the SD cards as well, and it supports up to 128 gig cards. Once you put that together, you could then have multiple cameras that are all pan and tilt, and I've reviewed quite a few of these cameras. This is the first one I've tried that's been pan and tilt at such a low price. You do have the option of controlling when the camera records. You can also set it to either record on motion detection or just do continuous recording. One thing I did find a little bit annoying though is there's no way of it automatically shutting itself off and not sending you alerts. So other cameras I've tried will detect when your mobile phone's in the vicinity, and you can set it so that it stops alerting you to camera detection, so that when you come home and you trigger the motion detection, it just ignores you. This particular camera doesn't do that. It means that if you happen to walk past the camera and you've not got it set to privacy mode, your phone will start pinging. It's very good at detecting movement. I'll give it that. When I placed it outside in the outside cabin, it started pinging me because it detected us leaving the back door of the house and just putting stuff in the rubbish bin, and that's quite a distance away. So motion detection on this is excellent, and I actually set that to the lowest setting to try and reduce the number of alerts. The picture quality is very good, and I like the fact that it's a one-off price. Once you've purchased this, you're not having to then pay a subscription fee to store footage. Of course, the downside of that is that because the footage is stored on the SD card, if someone were to break in, saw the camera and took the camera, you wouldn't have any footage at all.
So here's an example of the camera's night vision capabilities. I think it's pretty good. What do you think? Can you see the room fairly clearly? It's not quite pitch black, but it's getting there, and it should automatically switch to night mode when the light levels are very low, and it switches back to daytime mode when it's bright enough.
It's very easy to control, very easy to set up, and it is part of TP-Link's wider smart home system, and I hope to bring you more products from that solution soon, and we'll see how they interact with each other. If you're interested in learning more about this product, I'll put links in the description below. They will be affiliate links. It means that they don't cost you any more, but they do help me, and this helps support this channel. If you haven't already, please hit subscribe, join my tech tribe. Thanks very much for watching. I'll see you on my next review.